Good morning, dear students. This is computer class for class 6. Last day we discussed some question answers from your books and also some extra question answers. Today we will discuss some objective answer questions. So first of all, we will discuss some fill in the blanks. So these all questions you will do in your notebook, and which words are underlined, these words you will write also as the fill-ups. So first, fill in the blank. Which is the fastest computer in the world? So answer is supercomputer. So supercomputer you will underline in this sentence. Next is dash are widely used in homes, and answer is microcomputer. Microcomputers are widely used in homes. Next is dash was the first type of programming language. Which was the first type of programming language? Machine language. So underline machine language. Next is computer language can be divided into two categories. Which two categories? First one is low level languages and second is high level languages. Next is there are two types of low level languages. Which are the two types of low level languages? Machine language and assembly language. So these two you will underline, machine language and assembly language. Next, dash are used in industries for specific tasks. So which type of computers are used in industries? Mini computers. So underline mini computers. These are used in industries for specific task. Next, dash have brought a revolution in our life. Which computer have brought a revolution in our life? Personal computer. So underline personal computers. Okay. Next one is machine language uses dash digits. Which digits? Machine language uses binary digits. Which are binary digits? 0 and 1. So these two digits are used by machine language for giving instructions. Next, assembly language is also known as dash. The another name of assembly language is symbolic programming language. It uses symbols. That's why it is also known as symbolic programming language. And the last one is any language that is independent of the machine is known as high level language. So underline high level language, because high level language is independent of the machine, whereas low level language is dependent on the machine. So these are 10 fill-ups which you will do in your notebook as it is. Now next question, write the full forms of the following. So first one is basic, BASIC, and the full form of basic is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. And remember that first letter of each word will be capital. First letter of each word You have to write in capital letter. Next is Fortran. 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 Fortran, the full form of Fortran is Formula Translation. Formula Translation. Third one is Algol. A-L-G-O-L. Algol. And the full form of Algol is Algorithmic Language. Algorithmic Language. And be careful when you will write the full forms. Be careful about the spellings. Okay. And these three, basic, Fortran, Algol, these all are the example of high level language. The next one is HLL. The full form of HLL is high level language. High level language. So I am giving you now 4 full forms to write: basic, Fortran, Algol and HLL. You will write in your notebook and also learn. Now next question, write true or false. This is also given in your book. So first sentence which we have to find out whether it is a true or false. Personal computers are difficult to use. Is this true? No, it is false. Personal computers are very easy and user friendly. Next one, supercomputers are fastest computer in the world. Is this true? Yes, you all know that it is true. So write down true. Next, assembly language is also known as symbolic programming language. Just now I told you this is also known as symbolic programming language. So it is also true. Next statement. The spatial language used to communicate with computer is known as a computer language. The spatial language used to communicate with computer is known as computer language. In this statement I have done some changes. In your book the statement is in different way. I changed it, so you will write only this statement in your notebook. The spatial language used to communicate with computer is known as computer language. This is true. Next one, high level language is machine dependent. No. High level language is machine dependent. No, it is machine independent. So this statement is false. Next, basic and Fortran. Basic and Fortran are called high level programming language. Just now I was given the example in full forms. Basic and Fortran are high level language. So this is true. So total how many I was given? 6. Okay. So these all you will do in your notebook. All the questions, fill in the blanks, full forms, true, false, these all you will do in your notebook. So in this way your chapter is complete. You will do all the work given by me in your notebook and have a great day. Thank you.